Looking for the best pizzelle makers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pizzelle makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Nordic Ware Krumkake Iron. Traditional Norwegian iron with elegant flower and leaf patterns. Made from cast aluminium iron that can be used on electric, gas, and ceramic stoves. Extended well catches batter spills or excess butter and oil. Includes roller and recipes. We love this iron for its charming authenticity. Although it's a traditional Scandinavian piece, it can also be used to make Italian pizzelles. Quite small, and the pattern doesn't always imprint very well into the cookies. At number 2, Cuisinart Pizzelle Press. 5 different settings for browning control. Non-stick surface. Makes 2 pizzelles, 4 inches across. Indicator lights serve as baking timers. Includes measuring spoon and rolling dowel. Manual provides recipes. An easy-to-use electric press that features 5 heat settings and includes a manual with handy recipes. The handle is short and can burn your hand when it gets too hot. At number 1, CucinaPro Non-stick Electric Pizzelle Baker. Non-stick surface and thick baking plates with even heat distribution. Equipped with steam guard to protect from burns. Available in black or polished silver. Makes 5-inch cookies with attractive snowflake design. An electric non-stick pizzelle maker capable of cooking 2 5-inch cookies at a time. Some batches come out too thick and baked unevenly. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.